Hi guys, we are here with Max Breus, one of the executives of Silent Notary. Max, welcome to the show and hello.
Hello, hi, I'm ready.
Nice. Would you mind telling everyone who you are, your background, and your involvement with Silent Notary?
I'm one of two founders of Silent Notary project. I have both technical and legal background. So when we decided to contribute in blockchain revolution, it was a foregone conclusion to develop a notary system. And my partner and I, we will studied together at Moscow FizTech. It was about 15 years ago. And then our paths went in different directions. I followed the turbulent changes in Russia, was engaged in projects, in different projects in the stock market, in land development, and last 3 years I managed the administration of rather large municipality. So it was a really unique experience. And a couple of years after FizTech, I graduated from the Moscow Law Academy because I really needed a fundamental knowledge in law. So my partner Alexei at that time made a career in the financial sector, engaged in banking, and he has an excellent and unique expertise and unique experience in finance and structuring complex financial products. So now, having accumulated our life experience, we realize it by developing a blockchain system, applying technology to our real life. It seems to me that it's very important now to develop projects that use the intended properties of the blockchain for the real world, for real sector.
For sure, completely agreed. And so how would you describe Silent Notary, its interaction with the blockchain and the problems that are in the world today? What problems is Silent Notary solving?
Silent Notary is a blockchain-based service for confirmation of event existence. We convert an event into legally significant evidence, excluding the possibility of falsification. So actually we have three things. We have a blockchain technology. We upload a hash into blockchain. We use a basic feature of blockchain, impossibility of changing recorded data. We upload not a financial transaction like, for example, a Bitcoin, but a hash of the events data into the blockchain. So second one is the user interfaces. You know, it's not easy to upload data into the blockchain for usual customer. So you need so we have to develop a wide range of user interfaces. We have chatbots. You know, everybody now can send a message. So you just need to send a message to Silent Notary, to your notary. It's very easy. And next, mobile application. Now we finished an Android version, and iOS is coming soon. And of course, we have a web interface, and we developed a mailbot to certify emails. And third, a very important part of our products, of our project, is legal solutions. We have an universal solution for any legal system. This is a technical and legal examination of our technology. It's a really routine and not cheap procedure, but it's really a key point of our project. In addition, we will develop detailed instructions for each legal systems and for each country. It's really important to create a how to use our products, our project to solve any legal dispute.
For sure, yeah. So not only are we able to record chats and emails and voice calls and videos, but what you're saying is that it's also going to be legally binding based on the laws in different countries.
So our project solves the problem of trust in the evidence of what happened. We have the technical capabilities to fix to fix the event, to catch it, but to prove that it was once at a certain time in the past, really very difficult. We use for this purpose a blockchain as a system to solve the problem of trust. So we really turn an evidence into a legally significant evidence, and that's it.
For sure. Yeah, so legally binding contracts, and that is the next stage in your guys' roadmap, creating the Silent Notary Foundation, correct?
Yeah, that's right. We needed to put the service into the legal practice in the main legal systems and different countries. We need to create due diligence reviews and obtain legal opinions, establish precedents of use, and create a legal research. So it's necessary to create a foundation. Is a non-commercial structure. So it's very important to solve all mentioned problems.
For sure. And you guys are also developing something called Lightstamp technology, which will actually be able to timestamp these events as well, correct?
Yeah, it's a very interesting thing. We used similar technology more than 15 years ago when I worked in Moscow Fistech with nonlinear optical systems. So now we combine this technology with blockchain, and now we developed a system which gives us a possibility to determine the exact time interval of the event recorded. We will finish patent pending soon, so I think we can publish all necessary information soon. So we can counteract any modifications of the recorded video effects. We can record the time intervals and the exact time intervals of the event. It's very important, and we can provide evidence of a real video shooting. So it's not a recorded video; it's a real video stream.
Mm-hmm. And so also on the roadmap, you guys are talking about upgrading to Universa, and that creating some additional functionalities and possibilities on the platform. What will some of those be?
It's very important for our project to have cheap transactions, fast transactions, because our service is a cheap service. Our transaction will cost about maybe less than $1 for end customer. So we are waiting for Universa or maybe other blockchain systems to use it in our technology, in our smart contracts.
Mm-hmm. And so the payments will be separate. Say it would cost different if you wanted to auto record Facebook messages versus you wanted to record one individual video, correct?
No, actually, the price will be the same for video, for text, and in our financial models, we use a parameter about 20 cents per certification.
Oh.
So yeah, it should be really cheap for end customer. So price is the same for video, for text, for audio recording, and so on. You know, we just upload a hash in a blockchain, so it doesn't matter the size of the evidence data. But actually we have a difference only with between B2C and B2B solution. So for B2B market, we will use a standard license pricing. It will be a fixed price for license, and that's it.
Perfect. So what do you see as the grand vision for Silent Notary, and what obstacles do you see in the way of you guys being able to achieve those?
Silent Notary is created because we wanted to change the world by solving the problem of trust and to solve the conflicts and misunderstanding. So really, we believe that using blockchain technology and allowing people to easily access by developing popular interfaces, a world will be much more safely and more than 2 billion smartphone users are waiting for our products. The main obstacles is not in technical decisions, in the technical solutions. You know, we developed almost all technology. We have a smart contract, chatbots. We have a web interface. We developed mobile application for Android and testing for iOS now, but we need to solve a legal problem. It's not a problem, it's just a really routine procedure. It's a standard solution when you try to use some technology to solve some to some dispute. You need to explain it, and have a legal opinion. So there is no huge risk. I think I see no risk at all. But it's a routine procedure. We have to develop it in every legislation, in every legal system, and for every country.
For sure. Okay, and so you guys are currently in your ICO right now, that's correct?
Yeah, that's right.
And so what stage of your ICO are you in, and how are you raising funds?
We have about, I think, 5 days left to start our premium sale, and now everybody can register on our site to if you want to participate in premium sale and to receive a 30% discount. So you are welcome.
Right on.
We have a lot. Oh, I'm sorry. We have a lot of info on our site in a white paper. So I think or you can try our prototypes as well to make a decision.
Right, I think that's a really good point, is that Silent Notary is a project that has working prototypes all ready to test. So you can actually check the product, see if you like it, see if you want to invest on it. And that website is silentnotary.com, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
That's right.
And so then that would mean the ICO is running until October 26th, and you can sign up on the webpage, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, thanks so much for your time, Max. Really appreciate you taking the time for the interview, and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.